All right, here we go. This one is a little bit on the smaller side. We're looking at the Bestechman Sprite M390 steel and a satin stone wash finish on the blade. Smaller box here from Bestech. Bestechman, to be exact, is the budget brand or branch of Bestech. Nice. And ooh, man, come on now. This is definitely a pleasant surprise right here. We have a very small form factor, kind of like fifth pocket carry, secondary carry, if you would. Titanium little crossbar here, looking very nice. First things first, we got to get the magnet of truth. Yes, we do have titanium there indeed. It's going to be a crossbar lock with recessed liners, or more like cartridge liners. They only go about right there where the screw is. You can see some jimping here from the liners, a little bit of an exposed area right there. The pocket carry clip, reversible on the other side. So far, looking like a pretty awesome formula if you ask me. So let's go ahead and get it deployed here. Thumb studs for deployment. Bam, right? Check it out right there. Beautiful drop point blade. That's the kind of sauce. And yes, M390 steel. This is absolutely a premium knife. On the Bestechman lineup, I mean, I would have expected something like this on the Bestech nice models and things like that. But yeah, it's actually on the more budget brand, and it's a very pleasant surprise indeed. Got the Bestechman logo here on the show side. It's a little bit overkill if you ask me, because you already have that kind of going on there on the pivot. But it is a captive pivot indeed. We do have a flat grind, and we got some belly there with a pokey tip, right? Like your favorite YouTuber says here on the platform. Checking out the action. Oh yeah, that's going to be very snappy on ball bearings, of course. And that is very smooth, to say the least. So thumb deployment is nice and snappy as well. Reverse flick. Bam. Oh yeah, that feels nice. Also loving the acoustics as well. It's got kind of like a whip sound to it also. Not sure if the camera is doing it justice. But yeah, we got a little Benchmade bug out mini here. Killer, if you would. That's for sure. As far as the ergos, check it out. It's mostly a 3-finger knife, but if you forward choke, which is most likely, obviously the intent here, you have a nice little finger choil there. You can definitely get a full purchase at that point, and you are good to go. The pocket clip is surprisingly comfortable. I don't feel it as much. I'm going to go a 9 out of 10. And again, kudos for it being reversible, because after all, a crossbar lock is a ambidextrous friendly knife, right? I'm using it here with my lefty, even though, or my left hand, even though I have zero dexterity on my left hand. Somehow, from all these demos I've done after all these videos, I guess I have acquired some dexterity here and there. But yeah, definitely very nice, snappy little guy. I see it as an ideal secondary carry knife, or if you have local laws that prevent you from carrying a specific blade length. This one here is going to be obviously on the shorter end of things. We'll get some measurements here briefly. We have milling on the titanium, right after the cartridge liner, which ends about right there on both sides. Then you have some milling on both titanium handles here for weight reduction. You also have your lanyard solution back here for my lanyard people. And the overall measurement is going to come in at a whopping, drum roll please stay still, thank you, 5.5 inches, more or less, 2 1/4 on the blade, 2 inches on the cutting path, and about 3 1/4 inches on the handle length. I think also a quick weight is in order, just because of the small size of this bad boy here. It's coming in at 2.1 ounces or 60 grams for my friends across the pond. So not bad at all. Just a hair over 2 ounces. I mean, that is a very lightweight knife. So that's looking pretty solid right there.